Class 9 Atoms and Molecule chapter is going on. So today's topic is molecular mass. In my previous video I told you how to write down the formula of a molecule. Using the valencies, how to write down the formula. I have shown it how to write. Now in another video I told you about atomic masses. So actually atomic mass is what? Atoms are so small that we cannot measure it using any measuring instrument. That is, we cannot express them in grams. Their mass cannot be expressed in grams, kg or something like that. They are so small. That's why we generally compare the mass of carbon 12 with the mass of one atom of the element, and that is we say as atomic mass, that is relative atomic mass. Rather than atomic mass, we say it relative atomic mass. Similarly, molecular mass is also relative. Molecular mass can also be related with carbon 12. So what is that? I have written here. Molecular mass expresses how many times a molecule of a substance is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon 12. Now carbon 12, why I have written? Because it is one of the isotope of carbon. Carbon is having two isotopes, more than two also, but two are mainly known to each and every one. One is carbon 12, another one is carbon 14. Carbon 12 is available in maximum amount. Carbon 12 means one atom of carbon, its mass is 12 unit. We express the mass of an atom in U or AMU. Atomic mass unit or unit. So one atom of carbon, average atomic mass is 12 U. So we compare the mass of 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon with whatever is the molecule, and that is only your molecular mass or relative molecular mass. How to calculate molecular mass? Numerically how to calculate, numerically how to write. For that this one is used. This can also be used as a definition of molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of that substance. Suppose H2O. So what are the atoms? H2O means two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen. Sum total of mass of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen will give you the mass of one molecule of water. So that is only written here. Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of that substance. Unit of molecular mass is U or AMU. Now I will do some calculation to show you how to find out the molecular mass of the some of the substances. So I am going to write down the questions. Solve these questions, that is you have to find out the molecular mass of the following compound, that is one molecule of these compound, how to find out the molecular mass. As I told you earlier that how to find out, you have to add the atomic mass of each atom of the element present here. If one atom is present 2 times, so 2 has to be multiplied. If same atom is present 3 times, so 3 has to be multiplied, and then we have to add and we have to get the answer. So formulas I have written already. In this kind of question it is not necessary that every time formula will be given to you. So some common formulas you have to memorize by your own. Definitely urea, this is very new to you. This formula will be given to you if you get a question, because you may not know about it, but this is a very common compound. Glucose, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, all these are common compounds, so these are very easier for you to understand. Maybe you will get a question, these common names will not be given, only the formula is given, find out the molecular mass. So that is also going to be easier for you. So let us start calculating. C6H12O6. So how many carbon atoms? 6 carbon atoms. 12 hydrogen atoms, 6 oxygen atoms. So calculate the mass of each kind of element, each kind of atoms of the element, and then add So C6 means 6 into 12. Now why 12? 12 is the mass of one atom of carbon. Total 6 carbon is there. So 6 into 12. Plus how many hydrogen are there? 12 hydrogen. And mass of one hydrogen is what? 1. So 12 into 1. Plus how many oxygen is there? 6 oxygen is there. And what is the mass of each oxygen? 16 is the mass of each oxygen. So to do these sums, actually you have to memorize the mass of the common element also. As I already told you earlier that atomic number of elements from 1 to 20 and atomic masses from 1 to 40, it should be in your fingertips. It should be always in your brain so that you can calculate it easily. Now let us do the calculation. 72 plus 12 plus 96. So if you add, you are going to get 180. 180 unit. As I already told you, the unit of molecular mass and atomic mass is same. So this is also U. Now let us calculate the mass of urea. How many nitrogen are here? 1 plus 1, 2 nitrogen is there. Okay. So 2 into, what is the mass of nitrogen? Mass of nitrogen is 14. So 2 into 14 plus how many hydrogen is there? 4 hydrogen. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 hydrogen is there. So 4 into 1 plus how many carbon is there? Only 1 carbon. That is 12. How many oxygen is there? Only 1 oxygen. So 16. Either I can write 1 into 12, or if I write only 12, then also okay. I can write 1 into 16, or I can write only 16. It is okay, no problem. So let us calculate 828 plus 4 plus 12 plus 16. What is the answer? 10 plus 10, 20 to carry 6, 60. This is the answer. So mass of one molecule of urea is your 60 unit. You got it? Now come to nitric acid. Formula is HNO3. Hydrogen 1 atom, nitrogen 1 atom, oxygen 3 atoms. So let us calculate by adding 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 into 1 or only 1, anything you can write, no problem. For explanation I am writing nitrogen is 1, so 1 into 14, 1 nitrogen means 14 and oxygen is 3, 3 into 16, 1 atom of oxygen mass is 16, okay. Now let us calculate 1 plus 14 plus 48. Okay, so you are getting 63 unit. So what is the answer? Mass of one molecule of nitric acid is 63 unit. Now sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, very easy formula, H2SO4. 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atom of oxygen. So how to calculate? 2 into 1, because 2 is the number of hydrogen atom and 1 is the mass of hydrogen atom, plus 1 only sulfur is there and whose mass is 32. Mass of sulfur is 32. So 32 plus oxygen, how many atoms are there? 4 atoms of oxygen. What is the mass of oxygen? 16. So 4 into 16. So what I am going to get? 2 plus 32 plus 64. Okay. 4 for the 4 6 are 24. 4 1 the 4. Yes. Now add it. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. is the mass of sulfuric acid. So I have calculated all the molecular mass of one molecule of the following compound. This is the molecular mass of one molecule of sulfuric acid. So in this way, any question given to you, it will be easier for you to find out. Okay. Another thing I want to mention, that you may be confused in some of the questions. You will find that write down the formula unit mass of the following compound. So actually formula unit mass and molecular mass both are same way you have to calculate, same thing you have to find out. There is no separate thing that you have to do. Actually formula unit mass, this word is used for covalent compound and molecular mass is used for ionic compound. Now a little bit hint of covalent and ionic compound, you got it earlier. Covalent compounds are those compounds which are formed by sharing of electron in between the atoms. But molecular compounds are formed by complete transfer of electron. They are formed by the attraction between the opposite ions, that is cation and anion. In my previous video I told you. So in detail about covalent compound and ionic compound I will explain in next chapter, because until and unless you don't study the atomic structure, then you cannot find out that which element are going to participate in covalent bonding or which are going to form covalent compound and which are going to form ionic compound. But then also hints should be given, because if these terms come, you can at least think about that, you should know something about that. So just remember that formula unit mass, this is for covalent compound and molecular mass is for ionic compound. If you don't know, then also no problem, because the procedure for finding molecular mass and formula unit mass is same. In this way only you have to do the calculation and you will get the answer. So I hope you have understood it properly. One thing only I want to say you several times, that try to memorize the atomic masses of elements whose mass is from 1 to 40 and atomic number from 1 to 20. Then only it will be easier for you to do this kind of calculation. In your book, many more questions are there related to this topic, that is finding the molecular mass of a particular compound. Do be justice to yourself, that is be honest and try to do the sums by your own, not by copying down from the book, not by looking at the book. First thing is memorize the mass and then do by yourself. The more you can solve by yourself, it will help you only. It will help you forever and you can calculate any kind of sums that are going to be given to you. So thank you for today. Thank you very much.